Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Uh, on today's video, I don't know, it just came through my mind about things self-sufficient. So I've heard these terms maybe not so long ago, maybe a year ago. What is self-sufficient? Well, self-sufficient is about a people or a man, a woman that able to fulfill their needs by their own. So we no need to depends our uh, what we call our needs to other people. Okay, that's self sufficient. So uh, there are many perspectives about this. First one, of course, what the means of self-sufficient is people who healthy, because if you are not healthy, it's impossible for you to self-sufficient. For example, if you don't have legs, for example, I'm sorry to say that, if you don't have legs, which means you have to walk using wheelchair, and sometimes you need to move to somewhere, you need to some people piggybacking you or move you up, that you not self-sufficient. That's fine, because that's the reality. And then I don't mean that people doing bad. No, no, no. I'm just saying that for the ones who not so unfortunate. I mean, not so unfortunately. I mean, uh, it's impossible for them to self-sufficient, but it's fine. It's okay. That's one about the health condition. And then the second one, I want to talk about business. Okay, some people starting their business not self-sufficient. What this mean? They need angel investor. Let's say, their father, their mom, or their colleague, or their families, they need other people to do inject money to the business. That's also fine. That's fine as well, because if you don't have money but you have eager to start your business, yes, you need money. Either you are lend borrow from the bank, or you ask your inner circle to become a angel investor. That's fine. But the thing is, I want to discuss is about who already doing business for a long time, since let's say more than a year, okay, more than a year, and then the business not self-sufficient enough. I mean, I'm not talking about startup, okay? Startup, I think the life cycle always not self-sufficient, but for businesses who's not startup, which is classic, we could say old school business, it's supposed to be more than a year. The business should self-sufficient. It should funding their own operation, their own employee, so they able to run by its operation income. That's self-sufficient. So make sure if you are doing a business and in more than a year you're not self-sufficient, consider you try another hustle. Consider you try or you pivot your business to another one. That's my standpoint about self-sufficient, not about people, not about a man or individual. I am talking about a business that more than a year. I think it's a must for you to become self-sufficient business. If no, if you are not self-sufficient more than a year, you still need funding, you still need people to inject money to your business, or your own pocket to the business. Something wrong with the business, and try to pivot to another business. I'm not talking startup. Once again, startup for the lifetime of their value, maybe it's common to not self-sufficient. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.